We have made SIP payments simpler with UPI AutoPay on Coin. Now you can automate your mutual fund investments without manual payment approvals each month. UPI AutoPay creates a standing instruction with your bank to process your SIP payments on scheduled date automatically. The setup is real-time. Once set up, your investments continue without any manual intervention. How it works on the Coin app. On Accounts, tap on Mandates, tap on Create Mandates, enter the name of the mandate and tap on Proceed. Tap on Confirm AutoPay and enter UPI PIN. A nominal 1 rupee fee will be debited, later refunded by BSC to verify everything works perfectly. For new SIPs, select your AutoPay from the mandate drop-down during the SIP setup. For existing SIPs, modify your SIP and select the mandate from the drop-down. You'll receive a notification about the upcoming debit the day before the SIP date. The next morning, funds are debited and your investment is processed. No approvals are needed. Your UPI AutoPay mandate remains active until you cancel it. If you have any queries about UPI AutoPay, please leave a comment below and we'll be happy to answer them.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Brokerage will not exceed SEBI prescribed limits.